looks like Frosty Road. Well, if you guys want me to play any game, if this video somehow get 10 likes, I will play Poppy Playtime. I promise you guys, we'll play Poppy Playtime with my brother, and let's do this. We're gonna play. Don't press the button. A fun game, and we're gonna do this. Let's go. Stay close to the light, though. Sure, dude. I'm gonna stay close no matter what, dude. Hey, look at my shiny head, dude. If you guys play any of these games, let me know. They'll host live stream later. Yeah, I'm gonna live stream later, so hope you guys. I'll hope to see you there. I don't know if I'm gonna live stream. I don't have the material yet. Let's see if I'm gonna live stream. Whoa, let's wait. No, I died, dude. What is this, dude? Oh, what the heck? Where the heck am I, dude? There's so many. Is this frosting? Yummy. Well, we're back in. I'll press the button. Okay, easy part 4, dude. If you guys want me to play obbies, I will surely recommend. And you guys can tell me. Oh God, I just died, dude. Oh my God. I like playing obbies. They're really fun and a little bit time consuming, but I do want to play. Easy, baby. Easy, class. Easy, dude. This is so easy, dude. Yeah, obbies are my thing. I don't play that much anymore. So, I press a button. Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! Oh, God. Say next to the button. Say next to the button. Oh, God. Oh, I want babies. Raining. Watch out for raining bombs. Hey, yo, wait, hold on, what? No, there's bombs everywhere, dude. I don't like bombs. I don't like bombs, dude. Oh, God, let me run. Run. Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. It's raining, it's raining. It's like raining taco for bombs. Oh, shoot. Run, dude. I need to run, dude. Oh, God, dude. Okay. Hey, there's me. Look how handsome I am. Okay, we're not talking right now. Let's just do this. We win. No, God, there's a bomb. Oh, I just died. Are you serious? Bro, what is this, dude? Oh, God. Why are there so much rocks in it? Oh my God. Well, that was kind of rolly. Split. Oh, shoot. Need to run. Oh, shoot. Run, dude. I need to run. Oh, God. No, I forgot I cannot jump. Are you serious? Please don't. Bro, that guy wins? Are you serious? Oh, my God. Woo! Yes, I pressed it, baby. Let's go. Where? Is this Hex? Bro, is this Hex, It is Hex Castle or something, dude? This does not look like... Oh my God, this is weird. Alright, I see. What is this? What? Oh God, I'm dead. Hey, yo, can I get to the other side, dude? Can I get to the other side? Run.
I love you.
Oh no, I just died. Are you kidding me? Yeah, let's wait. Okay, I need to... Too reckless, dude. Too reckless, dude. Okay, let me wait. God, what the heck is going on? Okay, let's go, let's go. Oh, God, I lost. I'm not even gonna try, dude. Oh, my God, this sucks. Bro, what the heck is this, dude? Why everything so hacky? I need to finally talk about myself. I look so handsome right now. Sheesh, look at my shoes, dude. Look at my face. Look at my hair. Look at my... Bro, why is this girl named Milk, dude? I know this is no... I'm not sure that's a proper name to name yourself, dude. I don't know where we are. Don't ask me, Tats. Actually, why you're asking us in the first place? Do we need to get out of here or something, dude? Dead end. Let's go this way then. Bro, I see that milk girl again. The next I see this milk girl guy, I'm gonna literally shoot her with a gun. With a milk gun especially, dude. Is it a circle? Yep, it's a circle. Yep, that end. I didn't understand that. Oh God, what the heck happened? Complete the obbies to build the snowman. Alright, so where'd the obby? Okay. Obby God, man, I'm an obby God. Whoop, I'm not obby God. Boom, bam, boom, boom, bam. Hey, dude, come on. Stop it. Stop being rude. Ah! Oh, shit. Are you serious, dude? Run. Easy. Please don't fall. Sheesh. Bro. Okay. I just need to die and come back. Help. I need help the snowman, dude. Huh? Dude, how do I help? Boom. Excuse me. Get ready for what? It's Daniel's gauntlet, dude. Oh, shoot. Are you serious? Thanos is the worst super villain in the world. Are you kidding me? Hey! Oh my! The thing just exploded. Get to the other side. Easy enough. Why am I bald? Oh, why am I bald? And why do I have any hands? This son of a nutcracker just throw me off. Dude, get the heck down, dude. Get out of here. What? It's time to die, stupid. Stupid little boy. Yeah. Come here, dude. Hey, yo, my turn. Die, yes, sir, I won. Hey, yo. Woo! Are you serious, dude? What the heck? Bro, the second you get to throw them. This guy cheating, dude. He's literally cheating. Woo! Now this godlike dude. And woo! He gonna break his legs, dude. Oh god. No! Whoop. That went smooth. 2 more rounds left. Oh shoot. No, stop it. Ah! Final round, dude. Final round. Find a hole in the wall. Hey, yo. Boom. I'm satisfied already, dude. I'm satisfied, if I say so to myself. Alright, watch out for the mummy. Oh god! Okay, final round. Let's see if I can survive. Oh god, a mummy's coming. Mummy. If you guys from the UK, you know, if you guys are British, mummies. Mum. Come on, survive, dude. Hey, don't bring me to you. Die, dude. I need to just do ripply doody, dude. Well, that's gonna be end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like. Hey, I just turned to dinosaurs. Bro, what a great moment to end the video. Well, guys, stay safe, and I'm gonna post another video. Well, goodbye.